tangent at any point on a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. We will read the theorem and we will draw the diagram. So carefully listen how to draw the diagram. This is already fair diagram I drawn. So roughly I will explain. First you take one circle. Okay, tangent at any point on the circle. In a circle, you take one point, there too you draw one tangent. Okay, this is the tangent. Okay, tangent means what? Only one point, circle to one point meeting is a tangent. So first you draw the tangent. Here tangent, see a tangent at any point on the circle. At any point on the circle you are taking one tangent. It is perpendicular. So it is perpendicular to the radius. So radius means what? Center to passing is a radius. Center to passing is a radius. Radius through the point of contact. So center to, you are drawing one radius. Where you are drawing that radius? Point of contact, you are drawing a radius. So here we will prove this is a perpendicular. This is the meaning of this question. Okay. See here, once again not understood means you take one circle. Circle taking means you take one tangent. Okay. Tangent you are taking means radius. This tangent meeting plus you will prove it is a perpendicular overall this meaning. Okay. Now you draw one circle. XY is a tangent. OP you draw. This is a perpendicular. You have to prove. OP perpendicular to XY you have to prove. This is the radius. So this is the tangent. Okay. See here, any theorem is there means we will write four things. Okay. First what thing? Given right to prove, right? Construction is there means construction, right? Otherwise don't want. Okay. Next proof. Given to prove construction, proof we will write theorems is there means first given we will write. What is given in the question? Given means what? What is there in the question? That is only given. What is there in the question? See here in this question what is there? O is the center of the circle. Okay. XY is a tangent. Next OP is a radius. Three things you write it. O is the center of the circle. XY is a tangent. OP is a radius. Finish. Given is finished. Now to prove, what proof is there? OP is perpendicular to XY. Here 90 degree we will prove. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So what is that to prove is there? OP perpendicular to XY you have to prove. Next, what is the construction is there? See here. Here we will draw one construction. And tangent, you take one point Q. Anywhere you take, other than P, you take any point Q, you take it. Okay. So here, write it words. Take any point Q and XY other than P, later you join OQ. This is the construction. So here center of the circle to here you are joining. This is the construction. Here you write, give the name Q and this point you give the name M. Okay, construction, are you clear? I think take any point Q other than P, later you join OQ. This is the construction. Okay, construction after proof, very important. Okay, you see the diagram and we will do the proof. Okay, in this one you observe here OP and OM both are radius. Radius means equal length. So first point you write OP is equal to OM. OP is equal to OM. What is the reason? Both are radius of same circle. You write sentence radius of same circle. Next, carefully listen. Next point, OQ is equal to OM plus MQ right here. OQ is equal to OM plus MQ. Next point, OQ is greater than OM. OQ is there now. OQ, it is greater than OM. Okay, you are seeing only understand this is the big line, this is the small line. So next point, OQ is greater than OM, right? Next, this same length is there. Now we can write OP is greater than OM also we can write. See here, OQ is greater than OM means OQ is greater than OP also. OM also greater means OP also greater. So OQ greater than OM, right? Next OQ is greater than OP. OQ is greater than OP. Why? This length same. Okay. See here, OQ is greater than OM means OQ is greater than OP also. These 2 points you write it. Next, see here, this line comparing means this is the biggest line. See here, OQ is greater than OP. OQ is greater than OP. So this is a big line, this is a small line. So finally we can write OP is perpendicular to XY. OP is perpendicular to XY. What is the concept is there in this one means? See here, this is the center of the circle. This one joining means this is a perpendicular we prove. What is the reason? This center of the this tangent to this center of the circles to you are drawing so many lines. See here, this is the one line, this is the one line, this Like this, I'm drawing so many lines on tangent, center of the circle to tangent I'm drawing. Okay, so in this, these all lines to which one is the perpendicular, means which line is the shortest length, that is the perpendicular. Remaining all lines is not perpendicular. These all lines to which line is the shortest line, that is the perpendicular. So this line compared means this is only shortest, so this is the perpendicular. So overall, this is the meaning of this question. What is that? Means radius, tangent, meeting place, you will get 90 degree. Okay, one radius, anywhere you take circle, radius, tangent, meeting place, you will get 90 degree. So finally write OP is perpendicular to XY. Reason also you write OP is the shortest distance to the tangent from center O. Center O to OP is the shortest length, so OP is perpendicular to